Hi, I'm Penny from Sourced Coffee, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Capsule Wave capsule machine. The machine has a litre removable water tank to the back, which can be just filled onto the tap. Just slips back in. The on-off switch is located on the top of the machine. The lever lifts to insert your coffee pod. You have an espresso shot button and an Americano long black drink button. You have a drip tray which can be removed and emptied, and to access the used capsules you just pull this forward and your waste bin is located within there. So to make a drink, lift the lever on the machine, pop your capsule in. It's actually cut out to the shape of the capsule, so just slot down the lever, pop your espresso cup beneath the dispense and select your drink. And there's your espresso. And then to reject the used capsule, just pull the arm and it will drop through into the waste container located within the machine. Here's a selection of the Capsule drinks pods, which includes a tea, and they're all available on our website.